Hi, everybody. I'm Debbie Indihar, Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to the summer weather. Welcome to my weekly video. Glad to see you again. And here we're going to present a couple topics, one being what's going on with the job market and how the San Jose Mercury News talked about that recently. I'll discuss some of this closed sales that are coming up on board this week, and then wrap it up with some 2 weekends of open houses that you're invited to come to. So let's start with jobs. The San Jose Mercury News reported last week that Bay Area gets a jolt with jobs increase. So they're reporting in that there's been an uptick of about 7,000 new positions added since May. In May, and added since December. So that is definitely going to press in deep on demand for housing here in the area. Although interest rates are still hovering around 7% and expecting maybe to come down in the next couple months, which should help soften the blow for a lot of first-time home buyers coming in. It certainly hasn't changed the dynamics of what's going on with the housing market. I have closing this week, 1627 Starlight Drive in Milpitas. That's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's in the Pines area, listed for $1,598,888, and we're closing it at $1,575. So that was good. Seller's happy about that. And then property in Fremont. It's a little 3-bedroom, 1-bath, really cute home on Charleston Way. I listed it at $1,248,888. They got multiple offers, and we're closing that at 1.3. And then finally, we're closing 289 Autry Street in Milpitas. That's been, that escrow's gone on for about 75 days. And the reason being is the buyer did a loan assumption with the seller's VA loan. Very unusual to be able to do that. They bought into a loan at 3.625%. So naturally, the buyer was so excited to get that closed this week. Took a long time to process through the VA, but we've got that pretty well done. The list price on that was around $1,498,888, and I'm going to close that at $1,620. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, small home, but completely remodeled. That's in the Sunny Hills area. So coming up this weekend, I'm real excited to show 379 Laguna Drive in Milpitas. That's over near the Kirtner Elementary School. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The kitchen's been fully remodeled. It's a corner lot, a walking distance to Kirtner Elementary School. It's got a huge patio screened-in room with permits, so bringing the total square footage of that home close to over 1,700 square feet. And the list price in that is $1,698,888. Be there Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4. And then next weekend, the following weekend, I have 412 North Abbott Avenue in Milpitas. That is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1,600 square feet on a 10,000 square foot lot, huge lot that backs up to the Santa Clara Water District area. So there's a lot of open space. It's really, really nice. It would lend its well for an ADU, which is an accessory dwelling unit to go in the back, and be there Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4. And the list price on that is $1,698,888, same as Laguna. Seems like that's a nice sweet spot. So if you're looking to get your home ready, the summer market is still on fire, and it's really great, particularly here in Milpitas, where the average home price hovers around $1.6, $1.7 million. Give me a call, 408-945-8988, or GiordanoDJ@AOL.com. Look forward to seeing you soon or talking to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.